In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions to your Wix website. Creating a dedicated page for your terms and conditions is an essential step in establishing the legal groundwork for your online presence. Let's dive into the process to ensure your site is compliant and offers transparency to your users. First, start by heading to your Wix dashboard. This is the hub where you'll manage all aspects of your website, including your pages, design, settings, and more. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side. You're going to want to click on Pages and Menus. This will bring up a list of all the current pages that are part of your site. Next, locate the Add Page button. It usually appears as a clickable option somewhere near the page list. Clicking on it will allow you to add a new page, which is exactly what we need here. This new page will serve as the host for your terms and conditions content. Now it's time to populate your new page with information. Start by typing in the page title, terms and conditions. This title will appear in your site's navigation menu, making it easily accessible for visitors. Having a clear and direct title is important as it